Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
When InsideEVs wrote an article about this channel, they called it the America's Funniest Home Videos of the EV Space. Well, let's see if we can live up to that. We need your help to give out a Teslacam Award. Today we have 3 different submitters who have sent in videos in which their Tesla is putting the Animal Planet camera guys out of business. Your job is to vote on which one of these videos you like the most. The winner with the most votes will get to share their Tesla referral code with you all right here on our channel. Vote using the link below in the comments. Okay, here comes video A. Daniel had parked his Model 3 at work, and when he got back to the car, he found he had a dozen Sentry mode events. Let's take a look at what he found. There was a litter of kittens born near Daniel's workplace. Obviously, they were extremely comfortable playing around the Model 3. Wait for it, we'll soon get a very good mugshot of this cat. Don't worry, there were no marks on the car from the cat party. Video B was sent in by Paul Saunders from Westminster, Maryland, who maneuvered through the bushes with his Model 3. Take a look at what he saw. That's a majestic red-tailed hawk. This isn't actually Paul's first encounter with a red-tailed hawk while enjoying the seat heater in his Model 3. He also sent in this other clip. In this shot, Paul raced the red-tailed hawk. No need to further explain the Tesla torque to this Raptor. Next time, it'll wait and challenge a Chevy Camaro. Video C was sent in by Kevin, who was driving his Model 3 in Holden, Massachusetts when he witnessed this unusual pet walk. Kevin says he wonders what'll happen when this teacup pig grows up. He also added that he looked up some bacon recipes when he got home. Alright guys, now it's all up to you. Use the link below to cast your vote on video A, B, or C. May the odds be ever in your favor. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below.